Hello everyone, now I will share how to buy a domain name. In Indonesia, there is a domain hosting that offers my.id domain. The price is quite cheap, around 10,000 rupiah. It's equivalent to less than $1 per year. Okay, let's start. Okay, after you access the web page language is under Indonesian. You can use a translate tool from Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I use Microsoft Edge, so I can click translate Indonesian to English. Okay, okay. You can navigate to a product. There is four main category: cloud server, domain and website, solution add-ons, and developer tools. uh, Today we just click domain because we want to buy a domain name. Okay, this is a form. Before we buy, we need to validate if domain name is already owned by other or not. If domain is not owned by other in the world, uh, we can buy that domain. Okay, let's check. What domain should I buy? Best value. Best value.my.id. Best value. Okay. Okay, we check it. I see. Bestvalue.my.id. Congratulations, bestvalue.my.id is available. You can check another domain too in this page. If you want to consider another domain, bestvalue.web.id, .co.id is very interesting. .org.id for organization, school, because we need to buy a domain name that cheap, 10,000 rupiah, under $1, $1. Okay, we buy it. Add to chart. Okay, and check out. Check out or continue. It seems that we choose continue. Best value my.id. DNS management free 1 years for years. Free for 1 years. ID protection. Let's see. This is because free. We can choose it. External DNS hosting can help speed up your website and improve availability with increased redundancy. Okay. Protect your personal information and reduce the amount of spam to your inbox by enabling ID protection. Okay, because it's optional. ID protection. But if you buy domain for your corporation, uh, professional too, uh, I suggest you buy ID protection. DNS management, so already check and continue. Okay, IDR in. Oh, let's check the US dollar. How US dollar? Hmm. If we pick a US dollar, it's $1 more. Hmm. VPN is uh, tax in Indonesia. It's 11%. Um, I think it's not cheap. It's more than $1. Yeah. If we want to check one USD to rupiah. It's 15,000 rupiah. So I think we can pick US dollar but pick IDR, Indonesian rupiah. This is personal information. Um, First name, last name, email, phone number, and other. Okay, oh, see, we can sign in with Google too. So if you have a Google account, you can sign in with Google or fill this so many form. Okay, now I will skip the section and and continue to after I already uh, use this form. Okay, maybe I use sign in with Google. Okay, now I have been login and link my Google account. Okay, next session is payment detail. I think we can use credit card. Okay, with uh, I have um, I have need to input the credit card, so I skip the video and we can continue after I fill the information. Yeah. Okay. Can check, read, can check out. Okay, I have already uh, input the credit card. After input, you can uh, checklist. I have read agree. If you agree, and then click checkout. Okay, after successful payment, we can choose to domain and choose my domain. uh, Here is our domain that already buy is valued at my.id. After this, we can show how to manage this domain name. Click this manage name server first. Manage name server. Default name server, it means that name server is managed by IDCloudhost. What about use custom name server? If you have if you manage a company domain, you want to manage own DNS server. You have DNS server, and you want to manage base value.my.id or your domain name, whatever its name, but one IDCloudhost or domain hosting manage its domain. Just buy it from them, but don't want them to manage your domain name. You can use this information. You can information the name server 1, name server 2. Let's stick with use the default name server. Okay, and then you can use manage DNS management. Okay, this is a default record. If this is there are several type from domain. You can searching. Maybe I put the information. You can check about domain record type and how to but if you look this it's look familiar, like mail w triple w triple is cname and data is base value.my.id. Okay, I think is enough. Next video I will share how to manage this outside the IDCloudhost, but manage in Cloudflare. Why use Cloudflare? I will share you what a reason behind it. Okay, for domain name it's enough for today, and thanks for watching.